A story that inspires many hearts, a story that teaches you to achieve your dreams, a story about the pursuit of happiness. Chris Gardner was born in Milwaukee, USA on February 9, 1954. Chris was raised by his mother, who worked 3 part-time jobs to make the ends meet for the family. He never knew his biological father. His stepfather was an abusive alcoholic man who never gave him any fatherly love. Eventually, Chris, along with his sisters, was moved into a foster care, where he continued his studies. After finishing his secondary schooling, Chris decided to enlist in the US Navy. There he worked as a hospital corpsman and later on scored a research position at University of California in San Francisco. In June of 1977, Chris married a woman named Sherry Dyson, who was a mathematics teacher. Chris decided to discontinue his medical training and got detached from his wife Sherry. During the same time, he started a relationship with Jackie Medina, who later on got pregnant with his son, Chris Jr. Chris was moving around the city, struggling to sell medical equipment when a life-changing moment happened to him. He saw a man parking his red Ferrari. Chris was stunned and asked this man what he did for the living. This one question drastically changed the course of Chris Gardner's life. This man was a stockbroker named Bob Bridges, who introduced Chris to the world of finance. With some persuasion, Chris was able to score an interview at Dean Witter Reynolds for an internship as a stockbroker. But this was just the beginning of his problems. He got arrested just the day before the interview for non-payment of parking tickets. Completely broke and in the same outfit that he wore to jail, Chris appeared for the interview. He got the position, however it was unpaid. With no savings, no apartment and no salary, Chris became homeless. His girlfriend had already left him by that time with their son in his custody. Though Chris was homeless, he wasn't hopeless. He worked hard to become the top trainee at Dean Witter. He arrived early, stayed in the office till late, chasing a goal of 200 clients call per day. He struggled through this while taking care of his son. He couldn't afford a room for the two of them. He scrambled to pay daycare for his son while he worked at the office. After office hours, the two of them scraped through soup kitchens and sheltered at night wherever they could, including motels, parking lots, and even bathrooms at subway stations. But all of this was not in vain, not at all. Chris Gardner aced the trainee exam at Dean Witter and secured a full-time position with a small yet stable salary. After 3 to 4 years of working with Dean Witter Reynolds, Chris started his own brokerage firm, Gardner Rich & Co. He later on sold his stake at Gardner Rich in a multi-million-dollar deal and became the CEO of his new venture, Christopher Gardner International Holdings. Chris Gardner went from being jobless and homeless to a millionaire, from someone searching for a shelter to someone who provides shelter to thousands of people. His story is of pure perseverance and hard work. Chris fought through the hardest moments in his life, from getting abused by his stepfather to surviving homelessness with his son. His story is an inspiration to us all, and is definitely something to ponder after. Thank you. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the content. And always remember, there is no one stopping you from achieving your goals, except for your own self. Take care.